Trump vehemently criticized his lawyers and the court system following the disclosure that he was unable to meet his $464 million bond for his fraud trial. As per his solicitors, they contacted 30 underwriters, all of whom declined to support the bond due to inadequate collateral. According to a report by Raw Story on Monday, March 18, 2024, Trump contradicted the notion that any corporation would be willing to financially support such a bond, stating on Truth Social that it was not a question of refusal. The bond arises from a judicial decision that determined Trump's responsibility for fraudulent activities, alleging that he deliberately exaggerated property values in order to obtain advantageous loans and interest rates. Trump intends to challenge the ruling in response to the increasing harm caused by accumulating interest. Trump utilized his social media platform to justify his economic accomplishments and reaffirm his conviction that the legal procedures targeting him were driven by political motives and prejudice. Trump defined his business as magnificent and asserted that it played a pivotal part in the reconstruction of New York City and state. He alleged that his adversaries, including crooked Joe Biden and Attorney General Letitia James, were trying to illegally deprive him of his possessions. Trump condemned the judge for imposing an extraordinary and nearly unattainable bail amount, which he considered to be in violation of the Constitution and against American values. He attributed this to what he referred to as a corrupt, racist legal system that is under the power of Democrats. The legal system's treatment of his case elicited a noticeable sense of dissatisfaction from Trump, as evident in his social media statement. He presented himself as a victim of a politically motivated assault, highlighting the distinctiveness and seriousness of the restrictions placed upon him. Trump's claim that no corporation could financially support such a bond implies his belief in a conspiracy against him among the financial industry, further reinforcing his narrative of being unfairly targeted. Furthermore, Trump's refusal to accept judicial setbacks is emblematic of his personality. Throughout his tenure as president and even thereafter, he has continually presented himself as a combatant against what he views as unfair criticisms from his adversaries. This recent event highlights his refusal to admit loss or take responsibility for alleged misconduct, instead choosing to contest the legal system and question its credibility. In the face of increasing legal obstacles and financial burdens, Trump remains resolute in his determination to protect his name and safeguard his money. By utilizing Truth Social as a medium to directly engage with his followers, he exhibits a resolute effort to manipulate the narrative around his legal issues and garner backing for his cause. As the court dispute escalates, Trump's capacity to shape public sentiment and impact the results of his lawsuit continues to be a powerful force in American politics.